concrete slab. It turned out okay, but it's not perfect. But I'm enjoying it. Got my plants set up on it now. I'm going to go over it with some quick dry cement just to seal the top off where it's spalling and the sand didn't bond the way it should have. But overall, I'm not unhappy with it, but I like it. Sit out here and enjoy a fire in the morning. My plants got somewhere to go. It's not bad at all. Would I do it again? Yep. Yes, I live next to a highway. Tomato plants, pepper plants, a couple chairs, 2 more chairs down there.